What's up guys, it's Awota here. Thank you so much for joining me. So today I have a super quick little haul from Michaels with a 2-minute video of their walkthrough at the end of the store there. I was there a few days ago and unfortunately I wasn't able to record my findings at the time because I actually was having some back issues, so I couldn't share the video. So as soon as I feel a little bit better, I decided to record this video just to share with you guys a quick little haul. I also have a very small Target haul of some items that I have gotten from there as well, and hopefully because I bought it this week that you're able to also find them in your local Target if it's available. So very quickly, I just want to say that I do miss you guys. I haven't been on here for a while because I had gotten sick, wasn't feeling well, and then I had once I started getting better, I had back issues. I suffer from lower back issues and pain. It's very chronic sometimes. I can't even get out of bed. So unfortunately, these past few weeks I wasn't able to move about and do the things I wanted to do. And I very heavily relied on my husband and also my kids to kind of step in and take over things for me, which I do appreciate, and I was very grateful they were able to do that for me. Also, I'm suffering from a little bit of a headache now. I've had a migraine for a few days. And so I am feeling a little better, but not 100% there yet. So I'm hoping by sharing this video, it'll help me to kind of push through and kind of move forward with sharing some additional things with you. So that being said, I'm just going to jump right into sharing with you guys what it is that I have gotten from Michaels and then a small haul from Target. So I'm just going to turn you guys around and share that with you right now. So very quickly I want to jump in here and share it with you. As you can see, I have gotten some. Now these are all Christmas related, and I should have said that in the beginning of the video, and I do apologize for that. But I just want to share with you what I did find, with the exception of this that's not Christmas related or this. So these stickers here or tags are for Christmas, and we usually like to put them on our cards, and I'm sorry, not our cards, our gifts, and kind of like our stocking stuffers and whatnot. So we needed some of these, and I thought it was a good deal to get them because usually they're $4.99, and with the 75% off we got them for a lot less, which is awesome. I also got this set of washi, which was on clearance, by the way, for $5. Regular price are usually $19.99. I thought it was a really cool color scheme, and I really loved the birds and the flowers and whatnot. It reminded me of spring, so I thought this would be a really cool spring video to share with you guys with a future plan with me video. I also purchased this baker's twine, which I use when I bake, but this one here I'm probably going to use for some crafting projects. It was also on sale. Here I got this really cool looking door hanger. Original price would have been $9.99. Like I said already, this is 75% off of that, so I probably paid like $3 for this. So I also purchased these bells. They are very similar to a pair of bells that I purchased previously. Since we have kind of like an open concept type of living room, dining room area, you know, you can see where you can sit in the living room and see the dining room basically. I purchased these to kind of have them matching during the holiday season, hanging above my dining room window. And I have another set that I had bought years and years ago they usually sit above my living room window. And this one was retail price was $14.99, and like I said already, we purchased it for the 75% off. We also purchased this really cool looking sign. My husband actually picked it out. He actually liked it. He was with me the day that we went shopping. I don't remember the price for this. At least I don't see it. Let me just double check it. Yeah, it was $24.99. And it just says meet me under the mistletoe, which I thought that was really pretty. I might change this here. I mean, it's glued down, so I don't know if I can. But I'm not really into this pattern here. But then again, during Christmas, it might fit well. So I don't know until I use it. Now, my favorite are these back here, because usually they're super expensive. And this one here says, have yourself a merry little Christmas. And it has the drawn out trees. And then of course here has the book reading of was the night before Christmas, and I thought this was really cool. Now I'm thinking that the price is there somewhere. Let me just double check. Price wise, oh, here it is. It's in the back. This one was $30 or $29.99 US, and we got it for the 75% off. And then of course this one also is about the same price on the bottom here, and it is again $34.99. So I think it was a little bit of a $10 difference, I believe. Oh, that's Harper and Oakley playing. So that's everything for this haul video here. I am going to be inserting a video I took of me walking through Michael's Christmas clearance aisles. There is a lot of stuff that they had there for 75% off. I'm sure by now it's 90% off since we are starting this week. And so I do have that video footage for you, just in case you're curious to see what was there. Now I'm going to be sharing with you the Michael's haul. So here is what I purchased from Target, just in case you're curious. I managed to get this little basket here that I'm going to be using in my bathroom and maybe even the laundry room. And this basket was $5. I thought it was a pretty decent size to just kind of store my towels or any cleaning supplies that I may have. Speaking of cleaning supplies, I was able to purchase the very last Power Paste. I have been seeing all over social media people using the Power Paste for heavy duty cleaning inside of their oven, and it says it's all natural. So I thought I'd give it a try and see if I can get some stuck on grease off of my oven. Speaking of cleaning supplies, I also purchased this OXO cleaning brushes. I got it because it's two of them, and this one here has, you can't really tell here, it's kind of hard, but if you look at it, it has kind of like an angled brush, and I thought that was really good to get into those little crevices that are hard to reach. As well as the tip is a very pointy tip, so you can kind of get into like what do you call it? You can kind of get into the faucet. I have very tight bathroom faucets that are original to the house, and it's super hard to clean. So I'm hoping that by using this, I'm able to get in there and not have to use like a small little gift card type thing to clean. And then this one here is just a very big, thick brush, really good for scrubbing some other areas that I can't get to with a normal cleaning brush. I also bought myself some latex-free gloves. In this household, my youngest daughter, Ava, is allergic to latex. She's been allergic to latex for many, many years. And so we try to purchase things that are latex-free. And sometimes, unfortunately, we can't have everything latex-free. So whatever does have latex in it, she tends to avoid it. As long as she doesn't rub it on her face or ingest it, she's fine. But she does have like really bad rashes when it comes to like her turn for doing dishes. We had to get her a set of gloves like this because the regular gloves that have latex in them just made her hands break out really, really bad. And she had a really bad rash for like a week. So to help her when it's her turn for dishes, we got this. But I also liked the set and decided to get myself a pair as well. And so now she has her pair and I have my pair. So we also purchased these cups here. They're about 35 or 45 cents a cup. And I thought they were really cool. Something nice and cute to drink your liquids in the summer with. And last are these 3 nesting containers. Now this one here has 2 of them. They're very, very small. One is about 4.5 inches in diameter and the other one's about 5 inches. So of course this one being the 5-inch and then the one inside, you can kind of see it from in here. It's got a kind of a plastic wrapped around it, so I haven't had a chance to open it yet. So I'm not too sure what I'm going to be using this for because I have so many things in need of storage. I can put my camera equipment in here like batteries or my chargers or even SD cards and whatnot can go in there. But I can also use it to house other things throughout the house, especially in the bathrooms and in my bedroom. So I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to use it for, but for $5 I thought I'd give it a try. This one was also $5, but it's the real big one. And this one measures, I don't see the size measurements here, but I'm thinking about 7 inches. Only because if you compare it to this one here, it's about a 7. Like this one's 5. So I'm guessing this one's 7, maybe 8 inches. Yeah, so I purchased this for the same reason. It's got the lid. I can put things in it. So I'm going to be using this to kind of store things in my craft room and possibly the laundry room, such as small items. Like I don't use it often, but I do have those, what do you call those things you put in the dryer sheets? So yeah, I would use this to store my dryer sheets just to keep them out of the way, but still look pretty. If not that, I'll probably use it to kind of store my dryer balls, like my lint balls and stuff like that. So there's many ideas. It's just trying to pinpoint what they're used for. So I thought I'd give it a try. Definitely need storage units. I might even use it in my kitchen, to be honest. So that is everything for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I do miss being in front of the camera talking to you guys. I do have some videos planned out for the rest of the month, so hopefully you'll subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And if you like these types of videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so I'll know to continue creating these type of contents for you. Until next time, guys, I hope you all have a great day. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.